empty enough.
Oh, he found water.
Good. Where's water? Oh my goodness. He got all grown up that he can drink out of a big bowl. Well, as much as you peed, that's as much as you need to drink, little boy. Now, I don't think this. I was able to zoom in and out in Cancun.
Your sink is different than mine. Looks like it anyway. Is this a hand towel?